Talking about the best and easiest way to make money online as a beginner. Most times it can be so intimidating for you to actually start your own business online or to start your own entrepreneurship online. There's a lot of talk online about how to become your own boss, how to make your own money, how to do this and that. But what they do not tell you is actually that is not as smooth as they make it look. It is difficult. I've been an online entrepreneur for close to 7 years, and believe me, I know what I've put in. I know the time, the energy, the money that I've put in. And I discovered this multi-level marketing system that is wonderful and is the best and easiest way for you to start an online business, especially if you have little or no money at all. So keep watching. Don't waste your time with a lot of things you hear on YouTube. Just go straight and become a GNLD distributor. Believe me, it's the best thing and the best decision that you can make for today. Becoming a GNLD distributor. And I'm going to tell you why. The greatest advantage is, number one, you have your very own e-commerce store. A store you did not create, a store you're not paying for, you're not paying hosting, you're not paying for any domain name, you're not doing any of that stuff. Believe me, if you are into that, which I have been, I have done e-commerce store, I open e-commerce store online, I've opened my own website online. I know the work, I know the stress that is involved in it, I know the energy I need to put in. I know that you make a lot of failures, you do this one today, you don't like it, you pull it down, you start all over again. I know what it entails. So for you to see a business where an e-commerce store is made for you, it is a good business. Let me show you what the GNLD e-commerce store for a distributor, let me show you what it looks like. This is my store. Just look at how beautiful it is. This is my store. And once you sign up, this is the store that will be given to you. Everything is there. You have access to all the products without doing anything. Everything is already put there for you. Anybody that clicks onto your store, like me now, anybody that is in Africa, if I click here, you find out that I can sell to everybody from Africa, including US. And people from Africa, including US, can sign up under me. Without my lifting my finger, it is done for me. If anybody comes into this place and wants to shop, all the person has to do is to shop products, and he will be taken to where he can shop for different categories of products. You want to shop for weight management, health, digestive, everything is done for you. That's the beauty of it. And that is not all. There are other advantages which I'm going to be talking about when you become a GNLD distributor. There are other advantages. Number one advantage, customer service. GNLD takes care of customer service of anybody that buys from your shop. They are responsible for making sure that the product that the person buys gets to the person. There is a well-trained customer service that are working for you that you did not employ. What of marketing? How do you get people to actually get to your store? They have made it so easy that you can put in all your social media links, and they have made it much easier. They give you videos you can market on your social media channels. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. Now this is the back end of my store. This is my marketing section of the store created for me by GNLD. As you can see here, there are short videos that you can share on your social media channels to get people to become aware of your store. For example, let's say I want to share this video now. All I have to do is to click this share button, and it will take me to a page where I have my social media links. But because I am using my computer, I'm seeing only my Facebook and Twitter. When I use my phone, you will see Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. As long as you have the app on your phone and you've put in all your links when you're registering here, when you're registering as a distributor, you've put in all your links, you will have the ability to share this video now to Twitter, to Facebook, to Instagram and everything. So you can do your marketing on the way, when you're in the bus, when you're in a meeting, you can just be sharing it so that people can get to your store. For example, let me share this now. If I just click select on my Twitter, it will open up my Twitter because I've already put in my Twitter link when I registered as a distributor. So once it opens up my Twitter, it takes up the link. That's the link of this video. Direct. I didn't do anything, just that. And then I just click tweet, and it will tweet. To just tweet there. So when anybody sees this tweet now, and the person clicks on it, it will take the person straight to my store. Straight to my store, and the person can register if the person is interested after watching the video. So that is it. That is the video I just tweeted. This is what I just tweeted. So if somebody now clicks on this, so this is the tweet I just did. If somebody clicks on this, it takes the person straight to that video. And once the person watches the video, so now this is my Twitter account. These are the tweets I've just done. Now if somebody clicks on this tweet now, it takes the person straight to the video. And what is interesting is that once the person watches the video, if the person likes what he or she has watched and is interested, the person has the ability to either click to buy what this person is advertising. That's the advertisement.
Hi, I'm Katrina Webb, Paralympic gold medalist from Australia.
Let me just pause that. So the person, after watching it, the person can decide to sign up, or can decide to shop, can decide to get more information. If the person decides to sign up and clicks there, it will take the person straight to your shop, where the person will have the ability to sign up. As you can see, it took the person straight to my GNLD shop, where the person can sign up. And here, the person, wherever the person is in Africa, can sign up. And United States, the person can sign up here. If you're watching this my video and maybe you are in Europe, like maybe you're in Germany, you are in Italy, you are in essentially Europe, and you are watching this video, there's a link there under where you can chat with me on WhatsApp. There's a number I put there, my WhatsApp number. You can chat with me. This is a number you can call. This is a Nigerian number, but I put a WhatsApp number with my German number. You can chat with me, and I will tell you how to go about it if you are interested. Now, what are the other advantages of starting a business with GNLD or becoming a GNLD distributor? Another thing is accounting. Now, you don't need to do anything that has to do with accounting. If somebody buys something from your store, it is the sole responsibility of GNLD to make sure that you get your commission paid directly into your account, the account you registered online when you were registering as a distributor. You don't have any, you don't need to calculate anything. They do the accounting for you. And then what about the sending to the person that bought from your store? GNLD is divided into zones. As you can see, you saw the states and the countries that are supposed to register under me. All those states and countries, they have a zone and people responsible for sending the products that are bought straight to the customers that live in those countries. So everything is arranged very well and segregated very well, beautifully well. So picking, packing, shipping, all those things in a traditional business, you would not have to do it. Inventory of your products, you don't need to do it. Look, I'm talking to you as somebody that has been there. I've been there doing shop inventory, sending products to somebody that will buy, things like that. At times it can be strenuous, but all this stress is lifted off you. That is why I said that this is a business for the beginner, the best business for any person that wants to start an online business as a beginner. GNLD distributorship. Being a GNLD distributor is the best and the easiest business you can start as an online entrepreneur and as a beginner. Every single thing I've talked about so far will save you time and it will save you money. Now the greatest question of all, how much does all this cost? The greatest question then is, how much does this cost? Believe me, it does not cost as much as you think it should cost, considering all that you're going to be given. It does not cost as much at all, but I'm going to show you how much it will cost you. Now this is my sign up page. Anybody that clicks that sign up button, it takes them to this page where they can sign up. So the great question, how much does it cost? This is how much it costs. 17,500 naira. This is Nigerian naira. For Nigerian naira, for this amount right now, this is $45. So if you're watching me from US, any place from US, all you need is $45 to start this great business. Just $45. If you're in Europe, all you need is €40 to start this business, to register as a distributor. And the amazing thing is that, see what you get. So it's not as if you're just paying money to register. When you pay money, you get this. If you want to start with 17,500, you get 34 PV. There will be another video on explaining what this stands for. But this is what you get, because this, the more PVs you get, the more you move up in rank, and the more you gain, the more percentage you gain. So this is what you use to start, and you get these two supplements, 3NN, 2 packs. If you use this one to start Pro Vitality, this is so wonderful for your immune system. There's a video I have on immune system. If you go back, you can watch it. This is 22,500. 22,500 is $58 and €51 today. €51, $58. You can start with this. It all depends on you. Get 36 PV. Can you see how cheap it is to start this kind of business? I mean, where online will you see something like this? If you have something that is better than this, please contact me. I have my WhatsApp phone after this video. Contact me and let me know something that is genuine and something that is better than this. Where you live healthy, you eat something that is natural, you take natural things, you invite other people to take natural things, and at the same time, you're making money with it. I am yet to see anything, and I've been on this internet marketing thing for a long time. I am yet to see something better than this. But as I said, if you have anything better than this, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment box. Because I'm always open to wonderful, simple businesses that I can introduce to people, so that people's life will be better. So that people will have less stress. When you have an extra source of income, your life is less stressed, and this is a stressless way of having a second income, and this is a stressless way of starting a second income as a beginner. So I want to thank you so much for listening. I hope the video has not been too long, but if you have listened to the end, thank you so much. If you want to join, or if you just want to buy, you're not ready to join, you can click the link under this video. It will take you to my shop where you can buy whatever you want to buy. And whenever you make up your mind to register, you can also register. My contact phone is there. You're in Nigeria, you can call me this phone. But I don't have WhatsApp on this phone. If you want to WhatsApp me, please WhatsApp me on the phone I put, my German number phone I put under this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you a wonderful business life.